So, OpenCart 4 is out. Does that mean version 3 is obsolete? Well, let's talk about that.
Yeah, a lot of store owners are asking this, and honestly, the answer isn't what you'd expect.
Okay, get this. The latest update for version 3 actually came out after the one for version 4.
And that right there, that's the key. This isn't about new features, it's a maturity release.
So, what's a maturity release? It's all about rock-solid stability, not just flashy new stuff.
The updates focus on 3 key things that every online business really needs to have dialed in. First up, it's compatible with modern PHP. That means your store is going to be faster and more secure. And they've really doubled down on security with updated payment gateways like PayPal and Cardinity. Plus, they added a new cache driver. The bottom line, your site just gets a major speed boost.
Its ecosystem is super mature. It works great with engines like the built-in Awk mod and others.
All right, so this is the big question, right? Do you stick with 3 or make the jump to 4?
Okay, here's the deal. Version 3 is all about proven stability. Version 4 is still pretty new.
And production ready is key. It means it won't crash when downtime actually costs you money. And here's a huge point. The extensions for version 3 are tested and ready to go right now. What's this mean? It means OpenCart 3 is a solid platform for the next 3 to 5 years. Easy.
So the takeaway here is pretty clear. For your business, you should choose what's stable over what's just new.
Bottom line, if you have a live store that's making you money, stick with OpenCart 3.
So it leaves you with a question. What's smarter for your business? The newest or the most stable?